Pro video mode on a Samsung. Seeing the video quality and audio quality, you know, what is it like? Is there too much road noise going on here? Or can you hear the tone of the exhaust? We're just gonna go for a little drive here. Test things out. This is a 2015 WRX, so it's an FA20. It's got a few mods, intake and exhaust, catback exhaust, high flow cat downpipe. It has a Cobb intake and a Cobb top mount intercooler too, and so it gets a little bit more intake sounds. This is just cabin audio though. I mean, where the phone is hanging is where the audio is coming from. The main idea here is just to see if Pro video mode is junk, or if you can actually get some decent sound out of it, especially from the cabin. I mean, the phone's hanging just below the rear view mirror. You can kind of tell. So it's kind of centered in the cabin. There's a little bit of turbo noise there. I wonder if it picked up that at all. We'll see. Crack the windows. It's a little bit windy, but I'm going to see if that gives us a little bit more sound, or if you're going to hear just too much wind. This is the rear windows cracked open. So I'm going to stop the video, take a listen, and decide if this is trash or not. Okay. Conclusion is, I wish the visual quality could be a little bit better, but it's hard for the phone camera to focus on, like, you know, up front, the boost gauge versus what we're flying by on the road through the windshield. Like, I can kind of help it switch between them and stuff, but so that's a shame. The audio is okay because you can hear the exhaust. But you're not really getting a full sense of the tone. And And it would be nice if the exhaust audio could be isolated a little bit more. So in that sense, having an external mic, like GoPro external mic, really truly is going to be the best way to go. If you're trying to actually record anything legit, that's going to be the best way to go. That's like what you got to do. I might try some experiments putting different microphones in the trunk and seeing how that turns out. I have a feeling we might get a lot of road noise and just like cabin drone inside the trunk, but I think that's something worth trying. So I want to experiment with that. Otherwise, I think if I'm going to record drives, this is okay, but it could get a lot better with like a 360 cam, some sort of GoPro with external mics hooked up to it. That's the final conclusion.